3-in-1.
Hey, what's up, Trini?
How you going, Daddy?
Going good, boy.
You good, right?
Yeah, I like what I see in here, man. I like the song that they sing. We're inside?
Yeah, she's inside doing something.
Okay. You see the kids this morning, man?
Yes.
Ooh. This is great, man. But some just so all you have all your ingredients to put in all the pot, you know?
Would I go like that behind there?
Yes, definitely.
Yes, man. Careful you fall down there, you know, girl. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Sun blazing hot today.
Yeah.
Blazing hot.
You remember that big cashew tree at the corner there, boy?
Yes, I remember the big cashew tree. So guys, my parents come to give me a little visit. Grateful to have them around. And the sun is blazing. It is hot. I had to re-wet the pak choy plants because they're all wilted down.
Ah.
Right? Even though the roots were well watered, the leaves couldn't take the jamming of the hot sun.
Okay.
So let me flip the camera and show you. After wetting, I wetted about 10 minutes ago. Let me see how they're doing.
Great, boy. What's this here? What is it? That's this? Pachoy?
Yeah, this pak choy here.
Mm-hmm.
So it catch it back nice again.
Very good. I like the job, man. People are enthused about this, you know.
Yes.
Very good. When all they get together and all they have all this stuff. Oh, did I miss something here?
Nah, that dead plant there, man.
Chinese tamran.
Run right, you know.
And what you planted here?
I have an assortment. I have some Karaili. I tried some melangen, some pimentos,
Green.
seed, Karaili. So
Chinese
this
tamran.
whole
Chinese
table I have here,
Uh-huh.
planning to turn this into a machan.
What?
You ever hear that word before, machan?
I heard by Mr. Bat.
Right. A machan is something made like it's a trellis for plants
Mm-hmm.
that they make with bamboo,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that the vines could run on.
Very good.
Yeah.
And Chinese tamran to munch on when they get tired.
Yes.
There's no farmer.
Every time I feel for a little snack, I come and I eat a Chinese tamran.
Yeah, no, this are food children don't know about now, you know.
Chinese
Guys,
tamran.
you see now, boy, if you could pull down that for
All right,
me.
hold on. I need to turn this off. You okay?
Yeah, man, I love Chinese tamran, you know.
How you like the boy garden?
Beautiful garden. I
So
love
tell me something, all you went and do a little vlog this morning.
Yes, boy, on the river track, boy. You know me and your mother, real romantic.
Boy, people love all too bad.
Well, boy.
People love y'all too bad. I always see them commenting on the both channels.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Y'all are a great inspiration to a lot of people. You know, so keep up the good work, man.
Thank you very much, son.
And Sana, all we just doing is sharing our own
That's
experience.
all you have to do. That's exactly what we do too. We just share our daily activity,
Mm-hmm.
you know, and
What you see?
putting content out.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. All right. Over and out.